こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas de Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the E vowel sound. Campanas de Japanese. Have you watched my intro video? If not, I recommend watching it. The link in the description box below. So, there are 3 points you might want to keep in mind when you practice pronouncing vowel sounds. Number 1, how wide you open your mouth. Number 2, where your tongue is placed inside your mouth. Number 3, whether you round your lips or not. So, about the first point. This vowel needs the slightest mouth opening in the Japanese vowels, which means your tongue comes close to the roof of the mouth. E. The corners of your lips slightly spread. E. Try not to open your mouth too wide. If you do that, the sound you produce gets more and more like the E vowel sound. Look. E. See? E. Next, about the second point. You raise the front part of your tongue towards the hard palate. The hard palate is literally the hard surface on the roof of the mouth, which is located right behind the gum ridge. The tip of the tongue lightly touches the back of the bottom front teeth. E. Try not to raise your tongue too high, so you don't make unnecessary friction like this. Look. E. See? Sounds like some consonant sound, so don't do that. E. Okay, the final point. You don't round your lips for this vowel. E. In the Japanese vowels, you only round your lips when you pronounce the O Japanese vowel sound. And of course, as with the rest of the Japanese vowel sounds, your vocal cords here should be vibrating. E. Alright, let's practice the E vowel sound using some real words. Repeat with me. I.家おいイカ椅子 One last thing. Both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters. So it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, I'll upload hiragana worksheets like this. So go to my Patreon page and download them for free. The link in the description. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you don't like this video, please make sure to subscribe. Of course, right? Anyway, alright, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. じゃあねー。